Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure your earbuds are powered and paired, then set your phone or laptop to about 30% volume to avoid surprises. Once done, play a short test tone or familiar track so you can hear changes instantly. Now reach for the earbud's physical or touch controls, tap, press, or slide depending on the model, and perform the first small increase. This gives you a safe, audible reference and prevents sudden loud jumps that can hurt your ears. Next, fine-tune the level by adjusting in small, consistent steps. Think 5% or one physical increment at a time so you can judge comfort and clarity. You do this because device volume versus earbuds hardware control can differ. When latency matters, like calls or gaming, prioritize the earbud's onboard control. Once you reach a comfortable loudness, make sure to check equalizer or limiter settings in the app to keep sounds balanced and to protect hearing over longer sessions. Finish by locking in your preferred setting. Save it as a preset in the earbuds app or create an OS audio profile so you can return instantly. If controls lag or stop responding, restart the earbuds and your device. This clears temporary Bluetooth or firmware hiccups. If that fails, unpair and repair the earbuds to reset control mapping. One quick troubleshooting tip. Try a firmware update before a full reset, since manufacturers often fix control bugs in new releases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.